Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that many data analysts face. The problem we have at hand involves a dumbbell plot with multiple start and end points for certain groups. It's a common issue when visualizing data, but don't worry, we got a solution for you. So, the solution lies in adding a column to the data that groups the pairs of observations on customers and potential customers. This additional column will help us automate the process of adding gaps for certain groups, such as A and J. By using the provided code snippet, we can create a visual representation that clearly shows the gaps for these specific groups. It's a neat trick that simplifies the visualization process and makes the plot more informative. In summary, by incorporating the grouping column into the data and utilizing it in the visualization code, we can easily add gaps for certain groups in a dumbbell plot. It's a straightforward approach that enhances the clarity of the plot and provides valuable insights into the data. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe for more content, smash that like button, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy plotting!